is 24th April and now it is 9:30. So I will be conducting the workshop. Now I am ready and I am dressed up and I am waiting in my guest house. Somebody will come to pick me up and it is very nearby. We will be heading towards the conference room and I am so much excited.
Massachusetts General Hospital and Harvard Medical School. He is a renowned expert in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning with extensive experience in research and numerous publications in top-tier journals. We are delighted to have you, sir. I now request the volunteers to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed speaker.
I came to know there are first year students also and also final year students. So to cover for the general purpose, it will be mixture of both basics and advanced. So big companies they are also using this Python apart from the academia. So that's why I have choose the Python as a language used in this workshop. Take A equals to 10 divided by 3. So we know that the value when 10 is divided by 3, it comes in 3.33 kind of thing. So it's a fractional value. If you want to print the last element, so how we'll print this thing? We'll do A minus 1. As I have explained, minus 1 is the last element. So we have taken this array A equals to 1 to 10 where the last element is 10. So when we are doing minus 1, so it is giving you the last element. Now here, suppose we want to extract anything in between. So A is from 1 to 10, but you want to extract the elements from 2 to 5. So if you execute this, what you will find? So A equals to 2 means, so 3, 4, 5 is coming. Why 3, 4, 5? Because if you see here, the first, what is the 2 element? So 0, 1, 2. So 2 is 3. So from 3 it will start and it is going up to 5. But we are giving it as a 2 to 5. So this 5 means that it will not go to the index 5. Rather it will be the element of the index minus 1. So the index which we are giving, so it will take the last element to that index. So in that way if you print, so it will be 2 to 5. So this is for extracting something which is in between. Now this concept comes when you are printing something, you want to print something. So A equals to 1 to 10. But what will happen if you print this thing? 2 to all. So this is 2 to all. It means that it will print all the values which is coming from, so it will 3 to 10. It is printing everything. After reading, we will do lots of data processing. So let's give you an idea of the basics of the data processing. In Python, there are different kinds of libraries which we are using. We have to import those libraries, and these libraries are freely available. So Python is open source. So if we can have these libraries already installed, so then it will be very easy. So right now I am just using Spider to show you that apart from the Google Colab, also we can do in Spider. But same thing you can do in your Google Colab. Apart from Spider, there is another thing, PyCharm, and then normal Jupyter notebook is also there. So there are different ways which you can be implementing. Spider is one of the good way because it looks like a MATLAB. Maybe some people have familiarity with the MATLAB. Way we have to prepare our data. So it's a dictionary of dictionary. So master dictionary will have training data. Training data have 4 parts. Model is being trained, we have to evaluate how the model is performing. We have to find the training score, test score. So I have already evaluated it because training might take time, so I am just skipping the step. And here you can find our training accuracy is 94% and test accuracy is 82%. So is this a good model? Why?
There is a balance between training and testing.
Right, there is a balance. It is not 100% also, and this is around 95%, 94%, that is okay, and it is 82%. But suppose for example, if training score is 94 and test score become say 54, is that okay?
No.
That is not okay. Or if it is opposite way, if training is say 65 and test become 95, then that is also not okay. So these two cases are called underfitting and overfitting. These are important concepts. And there is one very important things, like we generally interviewer ask if you go for any MNC interviews or for suppose if you want to go for masters, how to avoid overfitting. With respect to underfitting and overfitting generally happens more, and there are different ways how you can avoid overfitting. Interview for data science must prepare these basic things. Is now trained, we will use this model to predict on the test data, which data we haven't seen earlier. So that model we will be using and predicting over the test. And if the prediction and Y test is not same means actual data is say no tumor data and prediction is say glioma. Then what does it become? It becomes misclassification. Our model might get misclassification because it is for 94% of the time it will give right answer, but there are 6% of the time it will give wrong answer. But if the predictions and actual test, if both are same, then it means it is classifying properly, right? So this is the overall how we can train a model. So
asking like why did we even write those lines? What is the purpose?
purpose.
Like we are writing those lines to read the data.
Okay, so let's do one thing like this. Then I can get A, right? Then print A0. What was that line? Like print of A of 1. What it will print? 2. Right? Okay. So if I have to print each and every step, what?